The private information of Kentucky voters is at the center of a high-stakes legal fight.
Today, the Department of Justice asked a higher court to overturn a ruling that's keeping that data out of federal hands.
Edward Smith shows us why local leaders say voters should be paying attention.
After a U.S. District Court judge ruled the state does not have to turn over voter registration data, Jefferson County leaders took a victory lap, calling the move a win for voter privacy.
We stood up, we fought back, and we've won.
County Clerk David Yates celebrated the decision by a district court that handed a blow to the DOJ's efforts to obtain Kentucky voter information. The DOJ filed the lawsuit in February after the state refused to share voters' sensitive information, like the last 4 digits of Social Security numbers. The state, along with Yates and County Attorney Mike O'Connell, asked the case be thrown out.
The Department of Justice, which is a shadow of what it used to be, should be embarrassed to the hilt that they even brought this.
The suit is part of a broader fight playing out across the country. The DOJ claims it needs the information to ensure secure elections. While some states have handed over the information, including Indiana, the DOJ has filed lawsuits against the 30 states and D.C. refusing to do so. The DOJ's cases have been thrown out in 17 states.
This is not a policy decision I've made where I've chosen to not cooperate. This is me following the law.
Kentucky's Republican Secretary of State Michael Adams says he's handed over public information to the DOJ, such as names and addresses, but he won't share any more because Kentucky law is clear where the line is drawn.
We keep people's personally identifying information confidential, and I'm not authorized to give it to anybody.
The case now heads to the same appeals court that previously ruled Michigan did not have to turn over its information.
I don't expect that the same court that heard this and decided 4 months ago is going to change their mind and have a different outcome for Kentucky. I expect that we're going to prevail on appeal.
In Louisville, Edward Smith, WLKY News.